I'm Mitchell Ellis with Ellis Products. Just wanted to show you this new machine. It's an easy potter potting machine. It has the big sprockets, the big chain, the bolt-in paddles, but it also, we call it a 4-in-1 because what we did is we took the conveyor, instead of going through the middle of the machine here, we moved the conveyor to the front of the machine. Why did we do that? We did that so you can do bare root. You can do flats, you can do shuttle trays, you can have a fill-only mode if you just want to fill pots, and then you can fill and drill. But so many growers, particularly from the West Coast, have called me. They want a machine where they can do the pots and they can do the trays, but they got 10 or 15 or 20,000 bare root they want to do, and they don't want to have to buy a second machine. So we made a machine with it on the front so they can do it all. It's your standard controller and everything on here, just like a normal machine, but it does have the bare root mode. And then we've added a foot control. And the foot control, what the foot controller do, I'll show you right here. This pot's really not big enough, but you stand here and you put your foot on the foot, pot comes down, the pot moves down right here. And you stand on the foot control and the belt will stop. And then the belt stops, and then this elevator comes on. And then what you can do is you can spin the pot while you got your bare root in here. But when you finish with your bare root in it, you step on it again and then it goes on down the line. What that does is that's going to eliminate a lot of extra soil spillage in return. It's falling all around the belt because you don't want to overload your soil return. Well, if you look at the machine right here, you might say, well, how's it going to do bare root? How's it going to do bare root? Because the drill's in the way. Well, you're not going to be moving it a whole lot, but we got two bolts in it. But we got this drill mechanism where it moves totally out of the way, and it's got a pin on the side that pins it in. So now, if you come around here and look this way, you can see right through here the entire machine is wide open. So right here, if this was centered up, you got all this room right here for a tree or something to come up, okay? All right, so you want to go back to doing pots. You swing this drill back around right here. And the drill brush over here on this side is adjustable. This here will go down. You're not showing me. This will go down right here, and it will brush your flat or your tray or your pots off. You get a lot of wear out of this kind of brush. We call it a whirlybird or a helicopter style brush. So this machine right here, it'll do 1 gallons, and it'll do all the way up to 15 gallons. If you want to drill a 10-inch hole or a 3-gallon pot into 15, you can. If you want to drill a 12-inch hole or a 5-gallon pot into a 15, you can. So if you walk around this side right here, you can see the pin we have right here. So I'm going to swing the motor around. And then you can just pin it right here. And there you go, it's totally out of the way. All you got to do is leave it in the mode where the drill's off, so the drill's not going up and down. So it's got a bare root mode, a fill only mode, and then it's got a drilling mode. So you go into touchscreen, you set your parameters. Like I said, it's basically a basic easy potter. We did take the adjustment. For the soil elevator, and we put it right here. Instead of being down here on the tail of the machine, it's over here in the center machine. It's a lot easier to get to, but we had to do that to be able to get the soil over and the chain come back with paddles so the format of the machine will work. So if you're interested in a bare root potting machine, a 4-in-1,